Hey guys, morning and happy Valentine's Day. Have a wonderful day guys. Enjoy your day with your loved ones and make sure to tell them you love them. Make sure to shower your loved ones with gift. If you don't have gift, shower them with your love as you always do, and have a wonderful day. Anyways, I would like to show you the lipstick which I'm wearing right now guys. This is the lipstick I wore yesterday as well, and oh my god, it's so pretty and it has matte finish, and look at that guys, isn't it pretty? And this is the lipstick. It's liquid lipstick, Kylie Jenner inspired lipstick, and it's called Danger. I got this one from Civil Mall, and if you live nearby Civil Mall or if you see this lipstick, go ahead and get it guys. It's worth buying. Oh my god, I forgot I had this one and I fell in love with this one again, so I'm wearing this today as well. And I did smoky eye with some shimmers on top, and it's so pretty, perfect for V-Day. Enough about the lipstick. I would like to show you what my husband gave me today. He gave me bunch of red roses. It's so pretty. I just love when he does that. He does this every year. He gives me bunch of roses and some sweets. This one says you are fab. Isn't it cute? I just love it. He also gave me a card. It's personal, so I'm not gonna show you. And look at the roses guys. I love red roses. I feel really special when someone gives me red roses. So thank you Buddha, I love you. You are really special to me, and I will be your Valentine every year. So that's his surprise for today. But yesterday he took me to a Thai restaurant because today he's gonna be busy at work. So he said, I'm gonna take you out a day before. So we went out yesterday, and I would like to add the footage right now. So I'm ready for tonight guys. I'm wearing the same makeup. I just changed the lipstick. I'm wearing Rimmel lipstick at the moment, and I'm wearing this scarf which is also from Nepal, Chanel inspired, and this grey coat which is from New Look, and this bag from Hong Kong. It has long chain like this, and it's in black and gold color. And I'm wearing this dress which is from New Look. And for my shoes, I'm wearing these. It's from New Look. On our way to the Thai restaurant. अहिले चाहिँ हामी Thai restaurant मा आइपुग्यो, and this place is so beautiful. So हामी भर्खरै घर आइपुग्यो, and the food was really delicious. Back to present vlog now. So guys, something really weird happened this morning while doing my makeup. I was doing my makeup and I noticed there was some type of glue coming out of this brush, and I was like, what's going on? I thought it was like a liquid product, but no, it was not. I don't use any liquid products with this. Something is fishy, so I just, you know, opened the brush like this and saw there was a lot of glue coming out, and I just cleaned the brush and so many bristles, you know, fell off. And yeah, poor brush. I got this one from Sigma. This is one of my favorite brush, and it's E50 large fluff brush. I love it for contouring and other stuffs, but look at this, guys. It looks so thin now. It's not fluffy anymore, but yeah, it's good now. I washed it, so thumbs up. By the way, I'm also heating my iron. I don't iron my hair every day. I just blow dry it, but today my hair is acting very weird. So I have to go ahead and iron my hair and make sure my hair is not, you know, all over the place. Okay, my hair is so much better now and I love it. I love this straightening iron, and it's from Remington and it's called Remington Silk, I believe. And trust me guys, this iron is my go-to iron and I just love it. Believe me guys, it's worth spending money on this iron. I got this one when it was on offer for around £40 I believe, and it's worth the money. Go ahead and get it if you really like straightening your hair. Sometimes I don't straighten my hair every day, but whenever I go out or whenever my hair is acting weird, I just go ahead and iron my hair like this. It does the job very well. So right now I'm folding my laundry and I'm also watching some music video in the background, and I really love this girl. She is really beautiful. I've been listening to her since this morning. She is so pretty and her music is also very great. Just finished folding my laundry. These clothes are not fully dry, so I'm gonna re-dry it. And look at the amount of, you know, fluff I got out from the laundry. I believe this is from the top or my undergarment. I don't know what is this, but it's kind of like a thread which is fluffy. I don't know how to explain this, but it's very weird. Look at that. All done. It's gonna air dry and it should be okay. Here's an update about my weight loss. I've gained little bit of weight. I know when my cousins came around here and I went to see my mom and I ate lots of Thai food yesterday, I've gained some weight, but I'm gonna lose it guys. I'm not gonna, you know, let it stay. So it's not staying here for a long time. I'm gonna do more cardio and lose the weight. It's okay to binge eat sometimes, especially when you are with your family and your loved ones, but always make sure to, you know, come back to your reality and lose the weight again. So I'm gonna stick with my old diet and start everything as I used to do before, and it should be all right. So I wanted to try the sweets, and the tub looks like this. It was like that, and it says "You are fab, love hearts." That's so sweet. And the sweet looks like this. Let's see what's inside. So this is the sweets guys, and I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try. I have tried this before as well. Yes, it's really sweet and tangy. I love it. Thank you, Buddha. So I'm bored right now and I want to do something fun for you guys, and I'm gonna do this now and then in between the videos. You guys get to know me better and stuff like that. So here we go. My favorite teachers were Ashok sir and Tara sir because both of them were so nice to me and they were so sweet. अनि त्यो सरहरुले पढाएको तरिका चाहिँ मलाई एकदमै मन पर्थ्यो. अशोक सरले त कहिले पनि पिट्नु हुन्थेन. तारा सरले चाहिँ कहिलेकाहीँ पिट्नु हुन्थ्यो. कहिलेकाहीँ पिटे पनि it was like, you know, not really painfully. It's just for fun. So I really love both of them. None. I love everyone. Everybody is unique on their own ways. So Ramlila, Jumanji, and I forgot the name. It's one of my favorite. I've watched it so many times. I should know the name. Let me think. It's Chupke Chupke guys. So those are my 3 favorite movies. I don't have a favorite, but I really love the ice cream from Lulworth. If you go to Lulworth, there is a place where they sell all types of ice creams, and most of their ice creams are so good. It's so yum. I would like to worry not too much about my loved ones, cause I worry a lot about others. I should start worrying about myself, guys. So that's one thing I would like to change about me. That's a fun question. Just being invisible is not good for me. I want to, take things as well. If I could be invisible and take things, I will just rob the bank. When my whole family went to the ocean park, and it was so much fun. My dad was still alive at that time. I really miss those days, guys, and I really miss my dad as well. Definitely cake, black forest, white forest, anything will do. On rainy days, I just like to chill around with my husband and watch movies and eat popcorn. That's what I like to do. I don't like to go outside, to be honest. And when I was little, I used to go upstairs in an open place and then dance in the rain. I really love dancing in the rain. I really miss that. So that's about it. Thank you so much for watching my vlogs. If you like this sort of fun Q&As, then give me a thumbs up. Make sure to like, share and comment, and subscribe for more. Bye.